got a big day ahead of us. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is going to be a little bit crazy because we're going to have a couple of things going on. Reason being, it's a little bit past 6, and what we're going to be doing today is going and getting some cannage because my wife needs cannage for the garden to hold some plants up. So we're going to be doing that. I have an oil change coming in around 9 o'clock. Then I need to do a coolant flush on Stinson because it's got a little bit of rust in the radiator. I've been flushing around for a little while. It's starting to become a little bit of a situation. I told you. It's just crazy how there's like running water coming out of the wall. We live on like a mountain. It's more like a tall hill. But there's fresh water coming right out of it. Very good. That's a good one. Get on it. Done. It's fun time. Job 1 done. Remember, kids, happy wife, happy life. Good morning, Bamboo. You're so handsome. You have something to say to the camera? I just fed you. Don't pretend. But actually, like circling back around, I also have to cut the grass. The oil change is at 9, and it's still past 6. It's always a little bit of a pain without this driveway that we're trying to do yet, because I have my one car out there. I have my wife's car in here. I have another spot here with a hole to do work, but because this is one door, and this side is 2 doors, it's a little bit difficult to maneuver the car in here to do some work on it. So I'm like waiting on the driveway. I'm looking at myself, but I'm like on the wrong side. So like I'm waiting for the driveway to get done, which will wrap around here. And then I'll have a big cement pad here in the future. And I'm waiting for that to get done. So it's a lot more convenient to have both my cars here. And I don't have to move everything every time I want to do something. To be a little bit out of hand. But I just wanted to make one small comment about how beautiful my Stinson is looking. So cute. What's in the box? It's been sitting here for a couple of days. My wife has like gone like crazy. Put some stupid tape on here. This, it's not really my style, you know? What I'm thinking, and you can hear me out. Ladies and gentlemen, bass! And just so that everyone's clear, this isn't so much about I don't like the brand of the board or it needed to be whatever. Number 1, I didn't like the color. Number 2, it was one of the cheapest boards that was composite. And number 3, I have the ability to do whatever I want. I might as well make it my own. Ladies and gentlemen, bass! Now I'm just gonna hit it with a nice satin clear coat. You see what I did there? The satin. Maybe you missed it from the last episode. Very nice. Yeah, you were telling me. Car's all fixed. 2 jobs down. I still need to do the radiator flush on Stinson. The instructions for this radiator flush are 10 minutes in the engine and a hot engine. Beyond that, I don't know. Oh, it burns the skin. Whoa. Whoa. Let it circulate for 10 minutes. 10 minutes from now, we'll come back and drain all that out. Probably give it a thorough rinse through. Doesn't look any different inside. Oh. Put it in my hand. Oh, crap. Oh. Nothing like covering your phone. French kiss. Fill it with the distilled water. Just gotta rinse it out again. The temperature is a little bit down. So I'm gonna let it get up again so that the thermostat opens and everything's flowing again. 6 flushes later, and I still seem to have some, it's not rusty and it's not clear. It's like an off brown. But you know what, it's good enough because I can always do another flush again. So I'm gonna top her up with coolant and just gonna send it. Gonna let that circulate for a little while. That'll just burp itself. Get on it. Another car fixed. Jobs have been done this morning, and now it's time to cut the lawn. Gonna do a time lapse. Just as I was cutting this, I think my neighbor also saw me cutting the grass, and he started cutting the grass and it just dusted everything because he did it with a big tractor. Now my wife says he needs to come dust our garden. It would seem like we have a slight change in plans. Due to the weather and the fact that there is no sunshine today, it is an ideal day to bones. Package is secure. Barbecue on its way. You missed it, but I almost died from a tick. He was this close to getting me. Had my wife not seen him and said, "You have a carasage on you," and I said, "That's a tick." And then I grabbed him and I flicked him on the floor. Now we're ready for a barbecue. That is looking nice. Little zucchini from the garden, little meat from the local talho, in case you were wondering. Talho is like a butcher. Not like, it is a butcher. It's a Portuguese butcher. I mean Mexican.